been slowly switching to fabric pots. I like, been liking the performance. There's little things I don't like, but I've had 3 brands so far, and one I tried last season. I got some samples from very cool Kayla Rose, and those are working phenomenal. I did last season grow. I haven't shown them because I usually wait this late to clean out my pots. But I received, this is a 7-gallon root pouch, and very sturdy stuff. Very nice build, thick. I imagine this lasting. Actually, I think that there's a chart. They have different life spans on different pots. I'm not sure about the ones I have, and these kept the roots inside. They're that thick. I used the G leaves. Those are pretty flimsy. Not the best fabric pots I've tried, and a lot of the roots go through them. Not sure if that matters, but they do get algae. They still get algae because I just leave them on the floor. I've been trying to get them up on pavers or whatever. I'm kind of. Here's a smaller. This is a 5-gallon. Also, really good build. I picked these up by one handle, 2 at a time, and they're very strong. They do look like they're gonna last a long time, and the plants did great on them. You know, I'm not sure. I didn't exactly do research as far as you know. Could have been up to the plant doing better on the root pouch, but I sure did have some amazing plants on the root pouch. That's a root from a root pouch. That was a 7-gallon. This is a 5-gallon. Yeah, about not as impressive for 5-gallon, but about cleaning the pots. I was talking to Pepper Guru, and he convinced me that I don't need to take my time doing that. I'm not, you know, I'm not here like, oh my God, you have no idea how busy I am. But you know, it does take a lot. You know. Could be doing other things, and let's see. Here's let me empty out a non-root pouch. This is a G leaf. Obviously, less quality than these things. These are pretty tough and well stitched. Here's the root from the G leaf. Not bad, but yeah, I'm really happy with the root pouch. I appreciate the hookup from them, and they did deliver. I'm liking them. I'll continue to use them. I should be ordering more. Oh, it's a huge spider right there. And yeah, the fabric pots, they've been working out really good. I'm really loving the fabric pots. I'm aiming to have everything in fabric pots besides the raised beds. So thank you, Root Pouch. I'll put the link in the description in case you want to check out Root Pouch. And thanks for watching.